Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into my review of M1 Finance for 2025. If you're exploring investment apps, M1 Finance is one that's been making waves with its user-friendly approach to automated investing. But is it the right fit for you? Let's break it down step by step, covering the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. First off, what exactly is M1 Finance? It's a fintech platform that combines investing, borrowing, and banking into one app. Think of it as an all-in-one tool for building your portfolio. You can buy stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, with features like automated PI investing, where you set up custom portfolios that rebalance automatically. It's designed for both beginners and experienced investors looking to streamline their finances. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest advantages is the low fees. Many core features are free, which is a huge win compared to traditional brokers. M1 also offers a unique borrowing option, letting you take loans against your investments at competitive rates, potentially saving you money. Plus, the app's interface is intuitive and mobile-friendly, making it easy to manage your money on the go. In 2025, they've upgraded their AI-driven tools for better personalization, helping you optimize your investments based on market trends. But no platform is perfect, so let's get into the cons. One downside is the limited selection of investment options. It's great for stocks and ETFs, but if you're into cryptocurrencies or advanced trading, you might feel restricted. Another issue is that while borrowing is convenient, it comes with risks, like market volatility affecting your loan terms. Additionally, some premium features require a paid subscription, which could add up for heavy users. In the current economic climate of 2025, with potential interest rate changes, this might not be ideal for everyone. Overall, M1 Finance is a solid choice for those seeking an automated, low-cost investing experience, especially if you're just starting out. However, if you need more diverse tools, you might want to explore alternatives. I'd recommend checking out their website to see if it aligns with your goals. What do you think? Have you tried M1 Finance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.